Okay, we're going to taste moment of truth. Let's taste it. Oh wow, I love the coconut and nutty flavor. Thank you, Ruj. Thank you. Step number 1, we take 2 cups of rice until the water came out clear, and then we're gonna boil the rice for 90% done. Okay, we're boiling water with a little pinch of salt.
And then a few lemon slices into the water.
Okay, water is boiling up. Let's add some rice.
Okay, it's not going to overcook and get mushy. 20 minutes karto is going to be the same interest. Really? 1 cup ghee, I'm using dalda, 6 cardamoms, 2 cloves, and 2 little cinnamon sticks. It's not quite brown, but put a little bit of sugar in. And you want to be careful at this step because when you put sugar in hot burning, I put sugar in. So this for me is a good enough temperature. It's not going to burn it. And I put a little bit of water in because I don't want the sugar to harden it. Uniformly, this is the rice that was boiled. I'm going to put that in. And then I'm going to turn it down to medium heat. And I'm going to throw the coconut in. Just a little under 2 cups. And then once this is mixed, so I just kind of want it to soak up the coconut and the sugar right now before I take some out for the color. So I'm going to, in this little cup, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 cup out. So this is 2 cups of mixed nuts. I have pistachio, cashews, and almonds. This is also at least 2 cups of tutti frutti and mixed with raisins. Any glazed fruit. And then I'm going to turn the heat down so that it just cooks a little bit. Cup that we took out, I have a little bit of orange gel color, and I'm just going to put it in the rice. And then I'm going to do the same and then put in whatever color. So I prefer using gel colors because they're
more healthier than the other one, the powder one.
I don't think they're healthy. You just use less of them. Color is more vibrant. This is still cooking a little bit. So I'm going to turn it up because I kind of want the water to dry because it's still a little wet. While it cooks, I'm going to put red in a corner, this in a corner. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. So now the zarda, the matanjan zarda, whatever you want to call it, is done. We put the yellow rice here, red rice here, and you want to be careful not to over mix it. So this is...
Cheers. Thank you, Ruj.
Thank you.